Everybody, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. If you can hear me over this noise, we've got a GE washer making a loud scraping noise, which is common. And let me show you how to fix it, what's going on. Let's turn it off. I lift it up so I don't get damaged. Let's see, right? There, it was scraping. See? Alright, gotta stop it. So you don't damage anything. Okay, so what's happening is on GEs, they've got this metal floor, right? And typically when these things are moved, so if yours start making this noise after it was moved, I'm telling you this is the issue. That metal floor got bent. Usually that metal floor gets bent, wait for it to stop, from hand trucks, blades getting underneath there and bending it. All right, stopped. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. I don't have my hand truck with me. But anyway, the blade from the hand truck gets under here and the guys will pull on it and that brings that floor up. And so that motor will either hit it where the belt is, or right there, see this thing here and this one will scrape the bottom. So, say hi to our mascot. Oh, he's a little camera shy. They'll scrape the bottom. So this is what you do. You either take your foot, put it here, press down. You gotta do a number. Basically, you want to bend it back. So I like to use this. You don't want to damage the motor. So for leverage, oops, sorry. You don't want to damage the motor. So for leverage, I'm gonna use the mount here. See the frame? See, I'm not gonna put that on the motor. Put it on the frame and pull down on it. So hang on, put the camera down. Somebody recommended that I get a GoPro. I went and bought one, but the sound sucks. So, so we're back to one-handed bandit here. Like I said, I'm kind of doing this on the whim. Started fixing it. I was like, oh, you know what? I should probably videotape this. So, hopefully it stays up. Let me pause it and get the setup. Hang on. All right, here we go. Watch out, buddy. Hey, little shop mascot. Watch out, buddy. So you want to lean it back a little bit. Either use something to leverage the thing, bend it down. Sometimes you can just put a boot in there, and that'll work too. Press down that floor. And also, it's a good idea to raise the legs. See the legs right there? You either put a screwdriver in there or just use your hand, depending on how severe it is as far as some washers have rust and that kind of stuff going on. So, I'm gonna raise the legs and turn them to the left. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. And we bent her back, hopefully good enough. And you want to do this with water. You want to put water in there to give it some weight, because what happens is with nothing in there, the tub will raise up on its own and won't scrape it off. So you want some weight in there to do it. And let's see if we fixed it. It's turning. Here we go. No noise, no scraping. So just adjust that. Nothing's touching. And it looks like we fixed it. So if you have a GE washer, also while you get this thing apart too, GE washers are prone for flooding, overflowing, and it's usually because of this hose. If you see a lot of, if it's dark in here and dirty, you can sometimes cut it and reattach it. You want to do it with no water in there, because this box, you want air to be in there. See, there's a little bit of water here, that's fine. But if I took this off, this whole thing will fill with water, and you'll get no air pressure going to the pressure hose, the pressure switch. Any questions, feel free to message below. Again, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance. See you next time.